Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. We have recently created a free Telegram group for our YouTube channel subscribers, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. The group serves as a medium for you to go ahead and ask us any questions, get your queries answered, and also share any stock market related information at the earliest. Please go ahead and click on the link provided in the pinned comment or in the description of the video to join the groups. Now in this video, we'll be talking about a tiny small cap where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought 57 lakh shares representing an increase of 0.82% stake during the last quarter. His position at the end of the last quarter stood at 2.88%. Now interestingly, this company has a dividend yield of more than 5% which provides it with a decent margin of safety. Please watch this video to know more about this company. Now the company in question is First Source Solutions Limited, which is available at Rs 43.40 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is FSL. Now First Source Solutions Limited provides customized business process management services in India, the United States, the United Kingdom, the Philippines and also internationally. Now looking at the 1-year chart, this company has been on a slow decline for the majority of the year. However, it has recently begun an upward move. The market cap of the company is 3012.52 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 4.89 translates into a cheap price to earnings ratio of 8.88, which is largely in line with the industry price to earnings ratio of 9.65. The price to book ratio of 1.09 is also reasonable. Now one slight concern could be the fact that this company has a debt to equity of 0.4901 in spite of being primarily a BPO business. The return on equity for this company stands at a figure of 0.1238. Now one very strong fact for this company is the very high dividend yield of 5.76%, which is a fabulous figure. The promoter holding is also above average at 53.89%, out of which nothing is pledged. Also please join us on our free Telegram group, the link for which is present in the pinned comment and also in the description of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.